Good morning, children. Welcome once again in EVS online class. How are you? I hope you must be healthy. Students, in last two classes, we have already seen that this is the chapter based on a true story, and the story name is The Story of Amrita. And we also went through the story of village that is Khejadli. In the story, we saw how Amrita and her family and her villagers sacrificed their lives to save trees. Now, children, tell me, are trees very important for us? I know your answer is yes. Think about the world. If there is no tree, what will happen? There will not be rain, there will not be greenery, and also will not be water to drink and food to eat. So, here we come to know that trees and nature are very important for us. So, what should we do? We must protect nature, we must protect animals, trees so that balance of environment will be maintained properly. Here are some pictures. Students, now observe this picture and think about it. You will see there are two pictures. Now tell me, which one do you like most? Left or right? Yes, certainly you will like the left one picture because there are many things which are important for us. And in the second picture, you will see that there are some trees which are cut and that it is not good for nature and for us. So it is harmful. Next slide, you will see that. Before that, tell me, how many of you like to plant trees and protect them? I know most of you like to plant trees and protect them with great care. Students, once again coming back to the chapter, you will see there are some points. There are benefits of forest. Now listen carefully, I am going to read it. The forest is home to many living beings like wild animals. Second point is it is an valuable resources provided by nature like wood, fresh air, food for animals, etc. Third point is forests are very important for wildlife and they play an important role in food chain. Students, in class 3 we have seen what is food chain. So, I know you know it very properly. Fourth point is it also plays an important role in water cycle. Last point is it provides raw materials to industries like paper, plywood, rayon, leather, etc. Here, once again coming back to the chapter, some of you have asked some questions. It is very good sign of good students to raise question. So here I am going to clear those doubts. In this slide you can see the heading of the slide is Jambaji and Bishnoi. So Jambaji, if you didn't understand teaching of Jambaji, the people of village followed the teaching of Jambaji, who taught them the importance of plants and animals. Details are here. The Bishnoi faith is a religious offshoot of Hinduism founded on 29 principles, most of which promote environmental stewardship. Bishnoi strictly forbid the harming of trees and animals. The religion was founded by Guru Maharaj Jambaji. Students, you will come to know that here is one name, that is Guru Maharaj Jambaji. This is the term used in last video. Once again I am going to repeat this point. The religion was founded by Guru Maharaj Jambaji in 1485 AD in the Marwar, Jodhpur, desert region of western Rajasthan, India. I think you have understood this point clearly now. In this slide you can see in red words there is let's look back, means we have to remember the chapter once again. We have earlier discussed the chapter. Now we will see it once again in short. So students, I am going to explain some important points once again. Everyone knows that this is the story of a girl who lives in Khejardli. This village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. The people of the village took great care of the plants, trees and animals. The people of village followed the teaching of Jambaji, who taught them the importance of plants and animals. Amrita was a little girl in the village who was very fond of trees. She played for hours in the shade of trees with her friends, and you know that she had many friends, and those were trees. After many years, when Amrita had grown up, she saw some strangers in her village with axes in their hands. They had come to cut the trees on king's order. For this, they hurt Amrita and many villagers. More than 300 people lost their lives to save the trees. When king was told this thing, he was greatly affected with this incident. The king was affected greatly to see the villagers' love for trees. He ordered that from then on no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. People of this area are called Bishnois and they still follow the teaching of Jambaji. So students, in this way we have seen this chapter. I hope you must have understood it clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. In this way, I think you would have enjoyed this and understood it. So, see you in next video. Stay home, stay safe.